In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down mega menu on Shopify. A mega menu can transform the way your customers navigate your store, offering them a visually appealing and highly functional way to explore your products and collections. Let's dive right into the process. First, let's focus on setting up the basic drop-down menu. Start by navigating to Content and then selecting Menus in your Shopify admin. Once you're there, choose the menu you'd like to edit. Most often, you'll want to work with the main menu, but you can select or even create any menu that suits your needs. Now, click on Add Menu Item. Here, you'll need to enter the name and link for each item you want to include. Hit Add, and you're on your way. Next, let's create the drop-down structure. This is where you can get creative with how your menu items are organized. Simply drag and drop each menu item so that they nest under a parent item. The parent item will act as the header for your dropdown. You'll notice as you drag them to the right, they will become indented. This indentation is what creates the dropdown effect. And a quick but crucial reminder, don't forget to save your changes to lock in your progress. Now let's move on to customizing your mega menu. Many Shopify themes come with built-in mega menu functionality. You'll typically find options for this within your theme's customization settings, especially in the header section. You can make adjustments to suit your brand style and your personal preferences. If you're looking for more advanced customization, you might consider adding custom code to your theme files. This can involve diving into the header section's code to create the specific mega menu layout you have in mind. However, if coding isn't your thing, don't worry. There are several Shopify apps like Smart Mega Menu and Navigation by Quickify that provide user-friendly interfaces. These tools can help you build and customize mega menus with advanced features, including unlimited menu items, flyout menus, product integrations, and much more. When deciding on the type of mega menu, consider a few options. Full-width mega menus are quite popular and span the entire width of the screen, often showcasing multiple columns for categories and subcategories. Then, we have flyout menus, which appear as a sub-menu when hovering over a parent menu item, offering a neat layered effect. Drawer menus, on the other hand, are separate from the header and slide in from the side as a panel. Remember, mega menus can include various content types, from product images and descriptions to promotional banners, making them not just a navigational tool, but also a way to engage customers. Lastly, keep a few key considerations in mind. Theme compatibility is important, as not every theme supports mega menus in the same way, and some might require custom code or apps to achieve full functionality. User experience should always be a priority. Make sure your mega menu is intuitive and easy to navigate. Test it on different screen sizes to ensure mobile responsiveness, so your customers have a seamless experience no matter how they choose to browse. That wraps up our guide on creating a drop-down mega menu on Shopify. Happy building, and see you in the next video.